Shri Radhar Bhave Eve Gaura Avatar Mahamantra Gaura Korila Prachar. Yuga Dharma he established. Mahamantra. But in a feminine mode, not in a male form. Vasudeva Ghosh Kahe Kari Joda Hato Jai Gaura Sei Krishna Sei Jagannatha. It will be totally missing the point if we distinguish even between Jagannath, Gaur and Krishna. Forget about their dham. So if we are talking about the Gaur Paramyavad, the absolute commitment to Lord Chaitanya and nothing else, and that's where the controversy is triggered. A total misconception of Gaur Paramyavad. The absolute commitment to Sri Chaitanya. What is Chaitanya's, his own point of view? His own point of view is that Upasya, the object of worship, is Nand Nandan, Brajendra Nandan. Braj Bihari. What is his permanent address? Tadham Vrindavana. What is the Upasana? Brajvadhu Vargeni Ya Kalpita. Not how the people in Navadvipa worship. No. That is not Chaitanya is propagating. He is saying the best form of bhakti is as the people of Braj did it. Ramya Kachit Upasana Brajvadhu Vargeni Ya Kalpita. So the Lord to be worshipped is Vrindavan Bihari, not even Mathura Bihari or Dwarkadish. Exclusively Braj Vrindavan Bihari. His address is Vrindavan, his Upasana is Braj. And what Lord dreams as a physical locale for his life? Vrindavan. If mother had not intervened and vetoed, will he ever settle in Puri? Will he ever live in Navadvip? He left Navadvip for the sake of Vrindavan. And that is Gaur Paramyavad. That is the ultimate desire of Lord to destine towards Vrindavan. And finally, as Shri Krishnadas Kaviraj has described, finally, absolutely where Lord lives, he says, Deh Iha. He is talking in Jagannath Puri in Gambhira. He says, my body is still lying in Jagannath Puri. Mono Goila Vrindavan. My mind, my heart is living in Vrindavan. It doesn't live in Navadvip. It does not live in Jagannath Puri, where he is physically located. So I am laughing at my non-talent. I hope I had some talent like Manjari Didi, that even to raise this question to which school Rupa Goswami belonged to. I am trying to separate the school of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which have different campuses, from Vrindavan to Navadvip to Jagannath Puri and Banaras and Prayag. They were all different campuses of Chaitanya's school, and that is the only school. Thank you very much. Yeah. Actually, I'll just add very quickly because I have to rush for another seva. Please pardon me for that. He sent the message to Sanatana Goswami Pad that make a little hut for me in Vrindavan. I want to come and settle after mother passes on, but the destiny was a different script. The room was built. The room is still there, which Sanatan built for the Lord, but never to be occupied. If you climb from the slope towards Madan Mohan up, on the right hand side there is an unused deserted room that was built by Sanatan Goswami Path for the Lord. He is always living in Vrindavan, living in Jagannath Puri, living in Navadvipa. He is living in Vrindavan. Thank you so much.